I am running late as usual, but it's officially December 1st, so that's why I started filming this today. So it's officially December 1st, and I am starting Vlogmas. Now, this will not be a daily vlog because I'm busy and I don't have time for that, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it's gonna be like the 4 weeks of Christmas. I'm gonna do a vlog for every week. So, welcome to Vlogmas with LCruu. My camera's all cold. This is what happens when your camera's in the car for 24 hours. December.
They're doing both books.
I forgot my camera. I was gonna bring my camera to vlog a little bit.
To vlog?
To vlog.
I didn't want to interrupt your rapping. Oh,
We haven't even began. So we chose a family to buy stuff for. So I'm really excited. It was a single mom and 2 kids. And it's just really exciting that we're gonna be able to give back a little bit. Oh, I'm so sorry. That was so scary. I thought oh my god, my biggest fan just threw itself at me. You're so right. Oh my god. Wow, that was scary. But anyway, yeah. So we're giving back this holiday season, and I'm really excited about it. We were able to get the kids some stuff that they wanted and needed, like socks and underwear, but also like toys and art supplies. And then also the mom, we got her like silverware and like bedding and hooks and stuff. So I'm filming downtown Mount Pleasant for a video for the CMU vlog, and it's freaking freezing, and there's holes in my shoes, and I just had to get like these wreaths and stuff. Happy December. I just made great time shopping for Secret Santa gifts. I got this girl, she loves polar bears and she loves apples from McDonald's. Okay y'all, so tonight my poetry is being featured in the Central Review, which basically is like an on-campus literary sort of magazine with art and short stories and poetry and all that fun stuff. So there's like the release party, it's like the reading of it all, so I get to do that. I think I might have Kaylee or someone film it, and if I do, I probably will insert it here.
This is the day before spring break. But it wasn't a school shooting. Sure, there were guns and people died, but none of them were students, so it's fine. Shaken awake by a semi-familiar face, there's an active shooter. Parkland just happened, was there another one sooner? Confusion and disbelief, hot tears sprint down my cheeks, salt leaks into my mouth. On the phone with my mom, there's 2 people dead. Screaming friends' faces wet when they find that I'm okay, I'm alive. Overslept in a lover's bed, where were you? I was confused and I didn't even know why. A dresser in front of the door, all our blinds closed, news channels splashing across the TV, helicopter vision of our campus. Starving, no food, but can't leave the room. Calm down. It wasn't a school shooting. It was a controlled incident. Don't play the victim card, you were fine. Why were you scared? It wasn't a school shooting. Thank you.
And then I have my dance team Secret Santa little like holiday celebration thing. So I realized that I didn't really vlog at all during my dance team holiday party, so I'll just insert a little bit stuff right here. It was a lot of fun. Now I'm really excited because for the CMU vlog, where I like vlog for the school, we're going on a ride along with the police right now. So I'm excited for that. I have to go print out my release forms because I have to like sign a bunch of stuff saying it's okay that I can do it. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully my camera is charged enough. Let's get going. Dudes on campus, we're giving away free hot chocolate. It's a pretty cool shot, I guess. Coming from literally the fact that my life's falling apart. I'm really kind of nervous about this, but I'm really excited. Thank you for having us. Thank you. Go ahead. All right, you can go ahead and get the bag. I don't understand that. All right. Just keep your hands where I can see them. All right.
We saw our badge on the phone. My badge number's 506. 516, shots fired, some EMS.
Okay.
Because after if an officer involved shooting was to happen, we now have to render 800
of them there. They had a couple different ones where So Kelly and I both did it. First, we just did like the practice shooting with the green things. And then
Make sure you're on target. Make sure
yes,
you're
and then they did a couple of them. They did like one where you scan, and then if they come up with their hands up, or if they
a weapon.
yeah,
Make that decision.
that was scary. And then I did one, and I was like approaching a robbery, and the guy just shot me.
Oh no!
I was just not ready for
Like,
it.
what happened? But that's quickly how quick it
Yes.
I had a break into like a gas station or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
The first time he just threw it and ran, but then the second time he shot me and I didn't realize.
Like, oh no!
He
But
was
I got him. I reacted fast enough.
Yeah, we talked a lot about how their action's faster than like a cop's reaction, and that's the scariest part in my
They're always
opinion.
2 tenths ahead of us. Always.
Yeah,
Always 2 tenths ahead of us.
that's crazy.
Especially if they have a plan, then it's even quicker than that.
Right.
Yeah.
Right? Because you know what your plan's going to be.
Yeah.
We don't. We have to figure it out.
Yeah.
Right? And
Because you just
hopefully
get
that we're
there.
right.
Yeah. That's wild. How did it feel to be sitting in the back of a cop car?
They're not big. They're tiny.
She was like peeking over the
I was
thing.
like trying to look over, trying to slide. It was fun. It was good.
It was
Hopefully
fun.
I never end up behind the
Ah,
small in there.
it's like not comfy either.
If you're over 16, you don't have to wear seatbelts if you don't want to.
I don't even.
He's like, I don't want to put it on.
I don't. Okay, I know the graphic isn't showing up, but it's official. I'm going to Forest 2020. I just bought my ticket yesterday. This is freaking crazy. We've successfully made it to the end of week 1, and I feel like I'm already uploading this vlog like really late. It's fine. I am really excited to keep filming, and I had a really fun time putting this video together, so thank you everyone for tuning in and watching all the way to the end. If you're hearing me jibber jabber on right now, just make sure you click the subscribe button. It really would mean a lot to my heart and my soul. Keep living large. Catch you on the flip. That was an accident.